안녕하세요, 에리스 키친 친구분들. The TV series Squid Game has become very popular all over the world. So today, I'm going to teach you how to make DalGoNa, a Korean sugar candy introduced in Squid Game. It is important to speed up the process of dissolving the sugar and baking soda so that the DalGoNa does not burn. Therefore, all ingredients must be prepared in advance. You can simply order a DalGoNa kit from Amazon and use it, but you can also use the kitchen tools you have at home. So get an 8-inch stainless steel pan, the sugar, the baking soda, a small silicone spatula, parchment paper, cooking oil and paper towels, a hotdog press, and finally, cookie cutters of your choice. Preheat the pan for a minute on medium. Put the sugar into the pan and let it cook. In about 2 minutes, the sugar will start to melt. Depending on your stove temperature, the cooking time can vary. So just keep eye on the sugar to find the point when you start to see the liquid. Now, stir the sugar gently until it all dissolves. About 30 seconds later, you can see the sugar completely melted. Turn off the heat and pull your pan away from the stove. Then push the syrup to one side of the pan and add the baking soda. Quickly stir the syrup and baking soda. Then you can see the brown color syrup turns into a creamy coffee color with a semi-fluffy texture like this. I stirred it about 50 times. It is important not burn it in this step and stir it the right amount. The key is to have a similar color throughout the mixture. Pour the mixture on parchment paper. Put a little bit of cooking oil on the hotdog press so that the melted sugar will not stick to the tool. I waited for about 15 seconds and then I pressed down on the DalGoNa. You should get a nice round shape like this. Then place your favorite cookie cutter on top of the DalGoNa and push it down. The DalGoNa becomes hard like candy very quickly, so this cookie cutter part should be done fast. If you do not have a hotdog press, don't worry. You can also use any smooth surface of pot, pan, or plate like this. Just put a little bit of cooking oil on the bottom before using it. I will use the same process to make another piece of DalGoNa. Here, you can use the same dirty pan to make a new piece over and over again. Anyway, my DalGoNa mixture is ready, and this time I'll press it with my small pot. It works great too, right? For this one, I will use a different cookie cutter. DalGoNa is sweet, but has a little bitter flavor from the baking soda. So you can also add a few chopped peanuts, which helps complement and cover up the bitter flavor. Right before pressing the melted DalGoNa mixture, put the peanut chunks on top of it, then press down. And you will get delicious peanut DalGoNa. When you're done making DalGoNa, you'll be left with a messy pan. So you can simply pour cool water into your pan and let the sugar melt by itself for a few minutes. In few minutes, you can easily clean out the pan like this. For the DalGoNa game, you're supposed to break the outside of the DalGoNa away carefully to get the shape in the center out without breaking it. The person who gets it done neatly and fast wins. Of course, as soon as you break the center shape, your game is over. The ingredients for DalGoNa are very simple, but many people fail to make them. That's why I share the detailed tips today. So please follow my instruction to make a DalGoNa and play DalGoNa games with your delicious DalGoNa. And if you do, take some pictures and share them with me on Instagram or Facebook because I love to see of the pictures. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye.